Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money using MetaMask. MetaMask serves as your secure portal to the exciting world of Web3 and decentralized finance. It allows you to connect seamlessly with various platforms where you can earn cryptocurrency. We'll explore several popular methods, from staking your assets to engaging in yield farming, and even participating in the vibrant non-fungible token market. Get ready to unlock new financial opportunities directly from your digital wallet. Let's dive in and discover how you can leverage MetaMask for potential earnings. One popular way to earn is through staking, where you lock up your cryptocurrency to support a blockchain network and receive rewards, often ranging from 5 to 15% annually. Another method is yield farming, which involves lending or borrowing assets across various decentralized finance protocols to maximize returns. You might move assets between platforms to find the best annual percentage yields, sometimes reaching over 100%. Always ensure you understand the smart contract risks involved before committing your funds. The world of non-fungible tokens, or NFT, offers another avenue for earning. You can buy, sell, and trade unique digital assets, potentially profiting from their appreciation. Many artists and creators have seen their NFTs sell for thousands, even millions of dollars. Additionally, play-to-earn games allow you to earn cryptocurrency and valuable in-game items just by playing. Connect your MetaMask wallet to these gaming platforms and NFT marketplaces to start exploring these exciting opportunities. Keep an eye out for airdrops, where projects distribute free tokens to early users or those meeting specific criteria, sometimes worth hundreds of dollars. You can also use decentralized exchanges or DEX connected via MetaMask to trade cryptocurrencies. By buying low and selling high, you can capitalize on market movements. Remember, the crypto space involves risks. Always conduct thorough research, understand the platforms you're using, and never invest more than you are comfortable losing. Happy earning!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.